We are here in Berlin at a south-facing balcony. Most balconies in Berlin have a side protection like this. It's either made from bamboo or from wood. These are our panels that are a much better solution as side protection. They're 90 centimeter times 54 centimeter. To safety regulations, the railing is always a minimum of 90 centimeters height. So they fit perfectly on any railing and serve as a very nice and aesthetic side protection. There's several methods on how you can do that. Here's the power connector. So you can either connect the panels with the power connector up if you want to have your cables running on the upper side of the railing, or you can turn them down and have all the cables at the bottom, or you can also install them horizontally, and maybe if your railing is high enough, have two levels of panels here. And you just pull them through the metal opening here. Same for the other side. Try to do at least two for the beginning. And now the panel is fixed. So we have installed now our solar set. We've tried to use as many straps as possible to make it very solid, and you can see it looks like a very beautiful side protection. There are two connections cables in the box. Each cable connects 4 panels. Every solar set comes with a microinverter. The microinverter transforms the solar energy into grid energy. We connect the microinverter with this plug that then goes into a normal balcony plug and then feeds the energy into your own home. 397 watts, south-facing balcony in November, Berlin.